Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hetzner Cloud VPS with Ubuntu security hardening easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Hetzner Cloud account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Cloud section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Server button. Select your desired location for the VPS. Next, choose the server type as Cloud. Now, select Ubuntu as your operating system. You can pick your preferred Ubuntu version from the options available. Decide on the server size based on your resource requirements. After that, you can configure additional options like backups or firewalls if needed. Next, give your server a unique name to easily identify it. Then, click on the Create Server button to provision your VPS. Now, wait for a moment while the server is being set up. Once your server is ready, you will see a green notification. Locate the SSH access credentials in the server details. Open your terminal or SSH client on your local machine. Use the SSH command to connect to your server. Type in SSH root at your server IP to initiate the connection. Replace your server IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. You may encounter a prompt asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes to proceed. Enter the password provided in the Hetzner Cloud console to log in. Once you are logged in, ensure your system is up to date. Type apt update and then apt upgrade Y to install updates. Next, install essential security packages. Use the command apt install of fail2ban Y to install the uncomplicated firewall and fail2ban. Enable the firewall by running of enable. Next, configure UFW to allow SSH connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.